I salute country people. I salute una plenty. Paka so. Ekona people, Boya people, Muyoka people, Malende people, Kumba people, Ndian people, Nyasoso people, Menji people, Alo people, all my way there for that side for Limbe, for Chico, for Mutengene, for Ekona Yard, for that side for Malende, tole, I salute all una, salute una for Bamenda, for Nkwen, for Bafut, I salute all Meta people, I salute all Equity people, them, Ngi people, I salute all una, Jakiri people, I salute una Kambe people, them, I salute all my way the year the country talk where they talk up. So now we have a language, they call us say lingua franca, now we are language, so now they will talk up. Countryman, countrywoman, at the time kuna plenty, una continue for subscribe so. Today, we get 3 information for give una. Una know say na election fever for Cameroon. So, we'll take our time talk about what will take place for Cameroon today. We'll talk about Issa Tchiroma and Paul Biya. We will talk about Bello Bouba Magari. We will talk about Akere Muna and Kuvondo. What will happen for the election palaba country people. Now for year in the past. Oh, I talk say, if you want to marry my country woman, prepare. You want to prepare. Ananga fere is there prepare. Even abakore natima nambusa is there prepare. Even abafutman achu is there prepare. Anywhere you go to marry the woman, need the same enjoyment, not the same trouble. A woman is a woman. A woman is a woman. No matter the choice. No matter the color, she can do and she can undo. Or no matter the tribe, no matter the color, she can do and she can undo. So, countryman, we'll start with the first information. The one, na Issa Tchiroma Bakare. Issa Tchiroma, it vex. Una no say na ina, it put pressure. It become, Issa Tchiroma, very popular now. People, anytime we organize meeting, people, they go there. Una ask me why it is popular, I don't feel no bad. Now it is popular now, so plenty people that is support it. So Issa Tchiroma, for one of the meeting, he talk say, may Paul Biya and people them, they not think say he fear them. He want Paul Biya, he say go zo no man. He tell Paul Biya say go see zo, say I fear you and your people them. If election goes na grung, so I go contest them vigorously. Hey, I don't talk grammar. If you see me for university for Boya, he say go contest them strong. He go send a lie. You know, win election, they just announce them. I know green. Now so he talks, they go fight victory to the end. And then Issa Tchiroma again. The matter strong, countryman. I'm saying the matter they go na before. What Issa Tchiroma talk? He talk say una they talk say una go catch go lock am this and that for sika say he be team money for Kameko, he be do this and that. Una the joke. He say all una be joke. Me una know say I know the fear. I know the fear una because una no get no proof against me. Una no ever get any proof against me. Issa Tchiroma say no TV money for Kameko. Kame because being a Kame for go Kameko. That way that crash for Kame be happen. Maybe in a minister of transport. They say no thief, no money. So any man where they talk say thief money, where they for government, where they plan say they go arrest you, they go use that one for arrest you. Me they no say they fear them. I mean Paul Biya no say they fear ye. The go na election respect no me say fear. When man no dey respect you, begin to say the man they fear you because say you say be the god for the person. He talk talk Issa Tchiroma talk so tell me say hey. Now so the man they na film they play am on, I just joke in the joke on, I say na serious way the Issa Tchiroma the broker so like Tori say the one Paul Biya stay hold ear. He hold ear them the one Paul Biya say they fear you. Now what? I don't fear you, master. I don't begin to say they fear you because you want to talk somebody say the corruption. If you don't do this, corruption. I never thief. I never do nothing. I know it to attend. I don't fear you. We'll go for election, and I know I go win. But if anything happen, when I fraud, I go contest them. Now so Issa Tchiroma don't talk. Countryman. So play where they happen now. The thing they happen now, the way they happen. We will observe them. We see and they will come now for year. Can't give una the story. How will we hear them? See where we I see them. And we were ear. Now you will bring up for una. If we I no see am, we koro I so no see am, or we ear no hear am, we no go bring up for una. So now so the matter the pressure they go on, the pressure they continue. But the matter I say, when I don't see Paul Biya for campaign, when I don't see if you go to Switzerland, He make campaign, like people they make campaign for you. Man want be president for country, but no na he make campaign for some people they vote. He just shiro he say me different people they make campaign. That means in an election. Oh, now we have to conclude that now for no one election they want to take place for Cameroon election because the election the way they know, you know if you hold for all the country. Now the truth of the matter that anyone will like true or talk. A part of Cameroon go get that election. So now so the thing that one at the city newspaper they talk say election for Jan for this place. They want they'll do an for military barrack though. They fit do election clear so because the matter strong. It's strong past castle. The reality of the matter is different from this talk where people they talk for TV, talk for radio, go make communicate, make small noise, make bro. It's very, very different. Absolutely different. That's so the matter they countryman. So we define Pobia, we never see. We Issa Tchiroma too, he say don't vex. We say na true thing, na true vex, or no na just empty talk where the talk because when the time go reach navigate to say this so. No, I don't be talk so navigate for understand say. Now so the matter is day. Countryman, countrywoman. Akere Muna. He start the campaign. He go France. He go America. He go all place. Now Univer Party, they give ticket. They say can use our party for big candidate for presidential election. Now no say Akere Muna no get party. So he don't use her now. He don't go make campaign, He don't go, they don't meet up. Maurice come to meet up. They talk with different leaders. Then we say this. So Maurice come to go talk. Say I support Akere Muna. Akere Muna be support me for 2018 presidential election. He believe the candidacy and they can support me. Now I will support now. Maurice come to say he support no man. As I talk for una so militant for a party, CRM party or MSC when I want them. They vex. They don't chakara. Maurice come to don't chakara a party. People in the way they support na Bello Bouba for a party. One day they way they support na Issa Tchiroma for a party. Plenty they support na Issa Tchiroma. Few they support na Bello Bouba. And the other one they say okay they don't go vote them. That's what they think they so vex don't enter for the matter. The matter na serious vexing matter now. Countryman. Now Akere Muna na he talk say wait say go vote na Bello Bouba my gari. They don't see you Bello Bouba. You don't begin hold that prom put on for a neck. Vote Bello Bouba. Now, Kuv on the way, now he be president for party Univer. He talks about it. Say no they d'accord with Akere Muna. Akere Muna no fit take a party big candidate and then the commode go support Bello Bouba. Say you know they okay with that kind of way for do things. You know they okay say they against, totally against. So now na fighting. Punching, Akere Muna Kuvondo. Akere Muna Kuvondo. Akere Muna Kuvondo. Kuvondo don't make communicate big long letter where write them. They talk say you know they d'accord, they need support Bello Bouba, they be support Akere Muna for election. Akere Muna no get right for come on now you want go begin talk say support na Bello Bouba. You don't suppose use the party. Eske Akere don't use your party. Akere go na he as a candidate for support Bello Bouba. Now them they know the calculation the way they do them for Palaba election. Man no know. I talk that way my eye is siam, away my ear is now so the thing day. Ekona man, Ngiman, Bakuri man, Bamenda man, proudly Anglophone, na me the chakara ma Pidgin for year. So when I hear them, na so the thing they will follow na information the way we get them for first hand. Another one, Bello Bouba Magari, it is here and now. Say for Cameroon, you feel make campaign for all place. But when you go for that side for Pobia province or Pobia region, it return a different thing. For that side for South, they say no man can make campaign for them. But CPDM, if you go for all place for Cameroon, make campaign. Probably if you go for all place, make campaign. But other parties no get right for come for South region, make campaign. Now Cameroon that now the country that way some people they support them. Now the leadership that people they support them. Now the kind of crazy that way people they so one they go take 10,000, 5,000 for begin support them. Where some Cameroonians they no get right for go for some part. But so one they get right for go for all place for Cameroon. Bello Bouba now we don't be for that government. The thing is sweet me na say not them. Bello Bouba them. Now they make the system be the way the system did. Because I be the first prime minister. That way I give power and jaw for Pobia. So I just say come take up. I don't tire. Pobia take that power and jaw. He appoint Bello Bouba Magari prime minister. First prime minister. So Bello Bouba, he today accountable for all the wuru where they happen for the country. Neither I don't go for Bolova for go make a meeting for the. They play where we go make meeting for Bolova. No be now about them. Now kaki. Very kaki them. They can't move it for the send up for different direction. That kind of thing if it happen so even a CPDM. You know, if it happen so even a CPDM. You know, see some police get courage to take a beginning. But how when a different people are not concerned, na pay organisateur no, you take any play you know for here no many thing we will take you go far away. You know supposed to be for here, go far away. We no want that thing for here, no talk for here na Paul and Abeya, na Paul Abeya, na Cameroon that for we discrepancy, discrimination, favoritism, toitettism. I don't talk grammar for that place. Toitettism. Me too I know grammar. Toitettism. Let me say na kick no. Na so the thing dey. Bello Bouba, you don't test us small. Tell people they will make noise say this one, so you just should be quiet because you say we get alliance with CPDM. Now you say becoming you test them, you go to play, they say come off here, you go to play, they say come off here, go to the other place. No video one for here, go to the other place, go do one for the other place. No country no dey for the ground where they talk say they respect the rule of equitability for balance. That's all no. Yes, where they fit do that kind of thing. Now for Cameroon with CPDM government. Una no. And if you ever come for a Sunday, I can tell you the same one supposed to be in government. Never. Any man will support anything except CPDM government. 43 years for power. It plenty. Probably two no. You must leave power go. Cameroon no be a property. For the state they tank you want tank you tat. My country people them. Now for here we will put end for the program. And now I see I'm now. Una don't watch me. Una don't forget. Una subscribe, una watch, una share, una send them for different places. Now una brother this. Call me senator, the darkest man on earth. Na me. I'm my cabin say no. I be the darkest man for the ground. No man no dark reach me. I'm black. I'm not even dark, na dark. I'm black. Yes. Salute all again. Una subscribe, una share them. American people them, una share them plenty. English people for England, for Britain, una share them plenty. For Belgium, una share them plenty. For South Africa, una share them plenty. Any place with diaspora, they plenty. Una share them me all my year. Me all my siam. Now for year where they take place. Now una platform this. I don't go me.